Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this mind-blowing photo blending effect in Canva. So if you guys want to make your photos stand out with a stunning blending effect, in today's video, I'll show you how you can create a photo blending in Canva step by step to make your images pop like never before. So what you need to do is just open Canva and add your photos into the canvas right here. So I already add two photos like this. Now you can just, on the left side panel, you can just scroll down and find apps. And in here, just find this image blender apps on Canva. You can click on it. So this is the image blender. You can effortlessly merge or blend images in Canva. So by using this app, you can unleash your creativity with image blends, and you can combine images with customizable opacity and smooth transitions for stunning professional designs. So in here, you can just uh, select the image that you want to blend. So for example, in here, I'm going to just use this, and then you can just click on blend selected image. And in here, you can choose the option whether it's linear or radial, and you can adjust the strength. Okay, I'm going to just go with linear. You can adjust the like this. You can adjust the directions. You can click on save after that. And here you can select the second image and then choose to also blend the image. You can adjust the blending again to how you like it. Don't forget to adjust the strength. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!